We previously looked at a variant of Mo with classes and objects that instantiate them, but it was an untyped variant of Mo. So certain things could happen during interp, like an object being added to a number or trying to use a number as an object. So we want to rule those out now with type checking for Mo with classes. And among the errors we want to rule out are the not a number error, where you have an object and try to add it, or the not an object error, where you have a number like 1 and you try to call a method on that number, or look up a field from that number. So numbers are going to be distinct from objects in this language. We also want to rule out the case that you try to instantiate a class with new, but provide the wrong number of arguments, the wrong number of fields, because that would also lead to an error at runtime. And finally, we want to make sure that names that you refer to, whether they be class names or field names or method names, do actually exist. So new square circle should only work, should only pass the type checker if square circle is a declared class. New posin12.z should only work if z is actually a field in posin, and similarly area here would need to be a member of posin. Not only that, but when you call on the inside of a class using super, we need to make sure that the superclass does have that method, not just the local class. So to do that, we're going to change our language of Mo with classes to add type annotations. Wherever we have field declarations in a class, we're going to put not just the name of the field, but 2 colons and the type. And where we have methods, we will give a type to the argument, which is always named arg, and we will also declare a type for the result. So the expression inside the method doesn't have a type declared on it directly, but it needs to have the same type as the one we declare on the method's result. The grammar of types, meanwhile, the only kind of types we have will be integers or symbols, where a symbol must be the name of some class that is declared. So we will make double use of class names as both names that you can combine with new to instantiate the object, instantiate the class at runtime, or you can use that name as a type to declare for the type checker what should happen.